Hello guys, welcome back to another video here. It's no one say scare security. We are doing a new series on HackTheBox, and we are doing a machine in the HackTheBox that is called Illumination. It's based on the forensics. We have to do exactly here is like we need to download a file. Okay, this series I'm trying to do as totally as a new starting in the HackTheBox, and we're going to try to run it as fast as possible to the top to the top rankings in the entire world. So it's just basically you're trying to achieve as fast as possible, you're trying to complete as fast as possible the requirements, the machines in the HackTheBox right now. Okay, I think I just need to re-log in here. Let me just go ahead and grab that. Okay, I forgot to sign in as that much. Okay, what we do here is it's asking me for Illumination. Okay, it's based on the forensics, that's what I've told, right? So a junior developer just switched to a new source control platform. Can you find the secret token? Okay, just like we need to find a secret token here. So I have already downloaded the file. So let me just go back to the terminal here. cd documents, cd HackTheBox this. Okay, so here is the file, guys. So what you need to do is there is a zip file which you will get after downloading it. So you need to unzip it, Illumination. Unzip illumination.zip. So while unzipping, it will gonna ask the password, right? So the password has been provided here already, so you can see so the password is HackTheBox. That's all the password is. You need to put the password as HackTheBox, then just hit the enter button. That's all. So I'm just gonna hit the button just to show you guys. Okay, it's taking. Replace the illumination, so it's asking me for the replace. Yes, yes, so replace. Yes. Okay, it's just see that. Yeah, we need to cd into illumination.us. So if we check it here as what are the directories or what are the files are available in this folder, so it's like bot.js, cat.bot.js. you can see it's just like a bunch of code that has been set up already. So it's based on the Discord, and what we can do is var config and .json pass. So let me see git show. So that is kind of a command that you need to type to find what are the gits are connected with this file. So it shows this file is also there. And let me just give it. So what's that command I was searching for is oh yeah, it's git show means you can search for the git commands here. You can see the commands which you can use for the git are version controller or pagnet or replace the objects or super prefix path. A lot of things are there. let me search here for log. So what's basically the log is like show commit logs. What are the logs has been committed, it will show us. So let me show you like that. Oh, it doesn't work like that, sorry. Git space log. Oh, so you can see that there's a lot of logs which has been available. Some of them I have to check it, each one of them, so that like git show this command. Okay, it shows like same thing which you have seen before. So let me check. I'll check last one. Okay, it's on the file for how the hexadecimal has been designed, how this file has been parsed. Okay, another one, if we see git show. Okay, replace me with the token when in use security risk. So okay, there's like a token we have got here, but still let's just check this one. We don't want to miss anything if it's have something right. So this one has a case light. Okay, those are some of the commands that are passing the switch commands, right? Yeah, we just don't have to worry with that one. Let's just check with this one which we have got a token. Okay, so I'm gonna use like there's name the hash, right? So to check the hash, we have to check like what kind of hash it is which I have got here. Let me check this. Okay, there's nothing we can give it. Name that hash. We can use the crack station also, but also no. Let me try with this. I think base 64 will gonna work for me. Oh sorry, 64. Base 64. I don't really know how to use the base 64 command. Sorry guys. Ignore the garbage. Okay. Tuck decode. Okay. Base 64 tuck decode this. Okay, it's not trying to search it. Let me just try something other that we can use. Cyberchef would be the good thing. Cyberchef, yeah. Okay, let me put this here. Now we have to search for base 64. It does have a base 64 from base 64, right? Yeah. Okay, the version controller, am I right? Okay, here we got okay, that was the token which has hidden in the box. Okay, so to put the flag, you can use it like that. I can rate this machine as 2 because we kind of went some of the time to find this flag, right? So this might be working. Challenge already solved. Okay, that was good. So that's all the challenge, guys. It's an easy one. You guys can go with that flow. So you just need to find the flag that has been available in the form of base 64 hash. So while using it, just use it as base 64 and work it on that one. So it's an easy one that HackTheBox has there. So it's in the category of the forensic, right? So in the forensic, you can use as much you want, you can work as much you want, because I love the forensic part. You need to find a lot of codes and everything and all. You can see here, if you want to check with the other forensics machines, you guys can follow me back, and I'll definitely post a new videos on other forensic machine which we can resolve it, which we can check on those. But it's good to see this one. Okay, this is the one of the good ones. You don't need to connect with the HackTheBox, but without that you can just download the file, because in a lot of forensic machines, what you have to do is you need to download the file to understand what exactly the code is, what exactly the flag is inside that. So they're just gonna provide you a flag, this one file. So you need to understand and try to enumerate every forensic tools which you have and try to find it by that one. So in this one we have used CyberChef, and one of that is git clone. So to understand the git which is been available with that one, so you can basically search for that one. It's easy machine which you have solved. We'll be solving medium and hard type also in the next videos. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you.